we are doing this and you're doing this and you're doing just wiping, it tends to grow premature wrinkles, which I'm sure you don't want. Hi guys, I don't know how the audio is going to be like, but I think it's going to be slightly echoey, so just bear with me. So today I'll be sharing my updated routine on how I remove my makeup to get it really clean and really clean. Yeah, no more makeup left. Okay, not gonna grow pimples, you're gonna grow blackheads and stuff like that because it's all stuck in your skin. So first things first, I have this which I need to put up my hair before everything gets really wet. I got this from Etude House. This is like a monster cartoon, isn't it cute? But there's like so many of this. You can also use a regular hairband as well to get your hair back, but sometimes the regular hairbands don't manage to get all your baby hairs. It tends to like come out, so maybe something like that will work better for you. You see my forehead is actually so big. Oh god. First things first, I always remove my mascara. So my mascara tends to be the one that is very difficult to remove. But if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys will know that I found a very magical product, which is this one over here. So this is the Heroine Mix Speedy Mascara Remover. This one works wonders, I'm telling you. So you guys can go and watch the review over here, but I can tell you that all the micellar waters, all the cleansing oils that I've tried, it doesn't remove it entirely. This still works the best. So just let me show it to you guys directly so that you guys can understand what I'm saying, okay? So I haven't removed anything yet. Put it from the base all the way to the top. You want to coat the bottom as well. So I normally take just a cotton pad and I fold it like that so that I can just wipe it off. And I will just wipe the mascara off my eye. And I'll wipe the other eye as well. See? Oh. The second step in my makeup removal process would be my cleansing oil. This is kind of like the third bottle of cleansing oil that I've ever used. The first one I've used is the Sooo one. The second one would be the Fancl one. And this is the last one, which is the DHC one. I personally like the Fancl one more. I honestly feel like Sooo and Fancl is a great option, but Sooo is really too expensive. It's like $100 plus for a bottle. It's crazy. So Fancl is a much more affordable option and it's really quite gentle on the skin, so you don't really have to worry that it will affect your skin or whatsoever. The usage of cleansing oil, by the way, I really prefer to use cleansing oils because I feel like this really helps to remove all the oils that are in the product that you're using, for example your foundation. Another big benefit of using cleansing oils versus say your micellar waters, your makeup wipes, is because it's less tugging on the skin. You are using the liquid to rub into your skin in circular motion, so you are not really tugging your skin like how you are tugging your skin when you are using a makeup wipe. We are doing this and you're doing this and you're doing just wiping. It tends to grow premature wrinkles, which I'm sure you don't want. So that's why I personally like to use cleansing oils more. So normally I pump about 2 to 3 pumps, rub it onto my hands and go across my face from the top and on the cheeks as well. So don't miss out the side because that's where most of the time your makeup will be at and it's going to get stuck there because you are just not thorough enough. You can take this time to also massage your face if you would like to. You want to take a bit of water just to emulsify the whole product. and it will normally turn white like that, and it's normal. Especially on the nose where you find a lot of blackheads. Now we can go for our wash, and then we are on to the next step. The last step is always cleanser. So always double cleanse because you never know how much makeup there is on your face, and double cleanse really helps to remove all the impurities in your face and whatever makeup or your sunblock that is left over on your face. So for myself, I always use this one. I've talked about this many times. So this is the Purity from Philosophy. So it's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. It's a makeup remover, it's a cleanser, and also it's a toner as well. So I really like this because I'm a lazy and this helps me multitask and save time. I just want to say that this does not have any additional fragrances. If you are sensitive skin, you can give this a shot. Time I use the cleanser with my hands, just like how I used it with the cleansing oil. But once a week, I'll actually use a brush, a Clarisonic brush, like a facial cleansing brush, to go through my skin together with the cleanser so that it just helps to polish my skin and at the same time remove all the bad gunk in my skin as well. Today we'll be using just my hands. So this cleanser doesn't foam up much, which is good because foaming agents are also a kind of irritant for skin, and you need to look out for that as well. We're gonna clean this off now and I'll be right back. And we're done! So as you can tell, my face is totally clean now. I don't have any makeup at all, and that's why you can see my eye bags, you can see my dark eye rings, you can see my lack of eyebrows as well. Can I just say that the mascara remover literally changed my life forever. It's like I'm never not using it ever again, and I can really see myself using this for a very long time. So that's my makeup cleansing routine that I do every night, and yeah. So I hope you guys learned something new from today's video, and again, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe down below. If you guys are looking for even more beauty videos, you guys can find them right here. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.